Welcome back, everybody. We're diving into the world of moringa again today.
Moringa!
It's been popular for a while now, as a superfood.
Yeah.
But we got our hands on some new research. And, well, let's just say there's even more to this plant than we thought. So you wanted to know about the latest benefits of moringa. Buckle up. We're about to deep dive into them.
It really is remarkable how moringa has transitioned from being like this traditional remedy to being backed by science.
Right.
And these latest studies really get into the nitty-gritty, like how it all works, the mechanisms behind the benefits.
Yeah. And we know it's loaded with vitamins and minerals, right?
Oh, absolutely.
But one thing that really jumped out at me from the research was the impact on blood sugar.
Oh, interesting.
And it goes beyond just keeping things stable. It looks like moringa can actually improve insulin sensitivity.
Okay, now that's important. You see, insulin is kind of like a key.
Uh-huh.
It unlocks your cells to let glucose in, which gives you energy. But when your body starts resisting insulin, that whole process gets disrupted.
Right.
And that's when you get those energy crashes and cravings.
Makes sense.
Moringa seems to help your body use that insulin better, more efficiently.
So instead of reaching for a sugary snack for a quick boost in the afternoon,
Yeah.
a little bit of moringa could actually help curb those cravings.
Exactly.
And keep your energy levels stable all day long.
Exactly. And that's just one of the amazing things this plant can do. We're also seeing studies on its anti-inflammatory effects.
Yeah, the anti-inflammatory stuff is pretty fascinating.
It is.
And it's more than just soothing sore muscles after a workout, right?
For sure.
This research is pointing to moringa's potential in managing chronic inflammation,
Right.
which is a factor in so many health problems.
Think of inflammation like a fire alarm.
Okay.
A little is normal, right?
Yeah.
It's your body's response to an injury or infection. But when it's chronic, it's like that alarm just keeps blaring. And that can cause a lot of damage over time. Moringa's anti-inflammatory compounds can actually help to quiet that alarm down.
So it's like hitting the reset button on your body's inflammatory system.
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow. That is powerful. And we're not just talking about physical health here. These studies on moringa and brain health are really exciting.
Oh, absolutely. This is where it gets really, really interesting. Remember those antioxidants we talked about? Well, some of them, like quercetin, can actually cross the blood-brain barrier and protect those brain cells from damage.
Wait, hold on. Explain the blood-brain barrier thing for a second.
Oh, sure. So the blood-brain barrier is like this super selective security checkpoint for your brain.
Okay.
It protects your brain from harmful substances.
Got it.
And it's really picky about what gets through. The fact that moringa's antioxidants can actually pass through, that means they can directly protect your brain cells from oxidative stress, which is a big contributor to, cognitive decline.
So moringa is basically fighting those rogue molecules that can damage our brain cells as we age.
Exactly.
That's incredible. No wonder it's getting called a brain-boosting superfood.
And there's even more. Moringa might even help grow new brain cells.
So not just protecting them, but helping to regenerate them.
Yeah.
Now, that's what I call a deep dive. But before we get too carried away with brain stuff, let's talk about how moringa can benefit women in particular.
Oh, yeah. Moringa may actually be able to help with those tough hormonal shifts during menopause.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Some research shows it can help regulate estrogen levels.
Okay.
And that can really help with those, pesky hot flashes and mood swings some women experience during menopause.
Right.
Plus, it's packed with nutrients that are great for bone health.
Which is so important as we get older.
Exactly.
No, it's kind of like a natural support system during a big life transition.
Yeah.
This is really interesting stuff.
It really is. And we can't forget about the potential benefits for reproductive health overall.
Right.
That rich nutrient profile may be able to help with hormone balance and even possibly support fertility.
Wow, we've covered so much already. Blood sugar, brain health, women's health. It's like moringa has something for everyone.
It really does.
But let's get down to the practical stuff. How can people actually incorporate moringa into their daily routine?
Well, you can find moringa in powder form.
Yeah.
Which is really versatile. You can add a teaspoon to your smoothies, sprinkle it on salads.
Okay.
Even mix it into soups or stews. Just a little boost of nutrition.
Easy. I've seen moringa capsules popping up everywhere too.
Yeah.
Are those just as effective?
They can be. Capsules are a great option for people who want a convenient, consistent dose.
That makes sense.
No more measuring powders. You can take them on the go. Just make sure you're choosing a good brand, one that's using high-quality moringa.
And sourcing it sustatably, of course. Speaking of reputable brands, I think we both know what's coming next.
I think we do. We've been getting tons of questions from our listeners about Moringa magic capsules.
Yeah, for good reason.
And they're not just hype.
No, not at all. I love how Moringa Magic is really committed to quality and sustainability. They use only the best moringa leaves from small farms that are organic and ethical.
That's right. And their extraction process is excellent and makes sure all those great nutrients are preserved.
Really the purest form.
Yep. Every capsule is like a little powerhouse.
Exactly. And they're super convenient. No more messy powders, no figuring out dosages.
Just pop a couple capsules with some water and you're done.
So easy. You know, I've actually been taking Moringa Magic for a few weeks now.
Oh, yeah.
And honestly, I feel a difference in my energy levels and my mental clarity.
That's fantastic. And you're not alone.
Really?
We've heard from so many listeners who have seen similar benefits with Moringa Magic. Improved digestion, better sleep, even enhanced mood.
And cognitive function.
Yeah. The testimonials are amazing. It's really remarkable how one plant can do so much.
It really is, isn't it? Which is why we're so excited to partner with Moringa Magic for a special discount. If you guys are ready to see what Moringa can do for you, head over to the link in our show description. You can learn more about Moringa Magic capsules and grab some for yourself.
We even got you a discount for being a deep dive listener.
Exactly. We really believe in this product and the power of Moringa.
Yeah.
We wouldn't recommend it if we didn't think it could make a real difference.
Absolutely.
So what did we learn today? Moringa is more than just like a trendy superfood, right?
Right.
The science is there. It's packed with benefits for your body and your mind.
Yeah.
Blood sugar, inflammation, brain power, women's health. Moringa is a true gift.
It really is. And who knows what else we'll discover about Moringa, right?
Exactly.
There's so much more to learn.
It's a pretty exciting time to be into natural wellness. We hope this deep dive has got you thinking about the power of plants. Knowledge is power. Keep asking questions, do your research, and never stop exploring.
That's the key.
You never know what incredible discoveries you might make. Until next time, happy diving.